Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to open HTML file in Firefox step by step. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. Start by opening File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on its icon in the taskbar. Step 2. Once File Explorer is open, find the HTML file you want to view. Right-click on this file to bring up a context menu. Step 3. In the context menu, hover over the Open With option and then select Choose Another App. This will display a list of programs available to open your file. Step 4. From the list of applications, choose Firefox. This will open your HTML file in the Firefox browser, letting you view it easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.